Hey guys, this is Carey, owner of Power Palace Gym, and I want to give you guys some advice on how to use the leg machines the right way, okay? Because there's definitely a wrong way to use it where you basically do just half the exercise or a far less effective version of the exercise. And I know there's been some people in here that have definitely been using them wrong because you can literally hear that they're being used wrong. So let me show you what I'm talking about. First off, for this particular one, it's the leg curl, and I suppose to some extent leg extension, right? You want to make sure it's in the downward position. You can use this thing to adjust it, but to be perfectly honest, just keep it right here in the bottom position. Adjust the seat so that, you know, basically your legs come right over here. Make it simple, okay? I'm kind of short, so I go back a little bit more. Probably about right here for me. Okay, so get into the leg machine and you're going to do full of the exercise, okay? And you're going to go all the way down as best you can. And if the weight is too much for you, adjust it, right? Take the pin out and make it a little easier. So do full rotation of the exercise. Go all the way down all the way you can. Go back up to the top, but not slamming the stack. In fact, it's best if you don't even hit the bottom of the stack at all, right? Definitely don't go like this because that's not how you do the exercise. I want you to consider something, right? If you're doing a squat, right? You're squatting, do you just drop yourself suddenly to the floor? Of course you don't. When you get to the top of the exercise, do you re-rack your weights and then unrack it and do a squat again? Of course you don't. You continue to have continual resistance throughout the entire motion. So why, when you get on a leg machine, would you get over here and do, you know, one rep and then just let it go to the floor? Why would you do that? You are missing out on half of the exercise. The proper way to do it is to go down all the way and then control the return. Don't put it on, you know, you want it to do a full, you know, range of motion. But what you don't want is to actually take off the pressure from your legs. You want to do it just like I have it here, where it's moving, right? You haven't heard the stack, now you heard the stack. You want to keep it in this position. You want to do your reps just like this. Do full range of motion, of course, but don't drop that stack. Don't let it go, okay? That's an important part of the exercise. That's resistance against your muscles. No matter if you're doing leg curl, leg extension, whatever it is that you're doing, right? Do the exercise in the way that's going to get the most benefit for the most amount of time that you spend, the least amount of time really that you spend, right? Every rep has, this is pretty much every exercise you do, by the way. Every exercise has either the forward motion or the backward motion, right? The push or the pull, for the most part, right? But control that weight throughout the entire exercise. That's the way that you do it. If you're slamming the weights, maybe it's too heavy for you, okay? You can't control the weight and put it back into the starting position. It's probably too heavy. You don't have it adjusted right. Fix it. This isn't a competition, okay? No one's going to give a damn how much you can leg extension, leg curl, all right? It's about maximizing the time under tension of your muscles through both types of range of motion, okay? Control it. Control it. Control the weight. You're working out, the machine's not working out, okay? And by the way, slamming the weights, these are some older machines. They're chain driven. They can be damaged. Do you want to be able to use this equipment to get swole? I mean, like seriously, you want to get swole on this equipment? Don't damage the equipment. Treat it well. It's one of the commandments of the Power Palace, right? Treat the tools with respect, and they will serve you. That's pretty much it, guys. This is a tip for how to use leg machines. It doesn't matter what the leg machine is, right? Whether you're using leg press or a leg curl, leg extension, calf machine, whatever it is, control the weight just like you would with a squat or a bench press or any other frickin' exercise, okay? Honestly, like, think about it. All right, guys. See you in the next video.